very good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. Today we will do assignment number 9. And assignment number 9 is on the chapter The Western Desert. First I will read out what I have given you in the assignment. The Thar Desert. Desert has a large region, means India has a large desert region towards the west of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan. This is known as the Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. The land towards the west of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan is rocky and sandy. This is the Great Indian Desert, also known as Thar Desert. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the borders of Haryana. Now, the type of land over there, the Thar Desert is covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. At some places there are small hills of sand called sand dunes. Luni is the most important river over there, and at some places oases are found. People grow crops here. Now this is your sand dunes. I have explained to you that it is the small hill of sand and it keeps on shifting due to storm. Again, this is the picture of the desert. You can see at the background sand dunes and the camels. Camels are called the sheep of the desert. Then this is oasis. I have explained to you before that what is an oasis in the videos which we have given to you, and in that it is explained that oasis is the place in the desert where some water sources are there and some plants grow and trees grow there, and it is little fertile over there and people can grow some other crops also. And naturally, because of the availability of water sources, people like to live over there. So oasis is a place where the villages are found and crops are grown and water is available. Now the climate of the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert remains hot and dry throughout the year. There is little or no rainfall. In summer, days are hot and nights are cold, and winters, the days are warm and the nights are very cold. Now natural vegetation means I told you that what are the plants, which are the plants and trees which grow naturally. They are called natural vegetation. A hot and dry climate means that mostly scattered bushes, not much vegetation there because of poor quality of soil and non-availability of water. Its water is not available there, and so very little crops are grown, and natural vegetation is mostly bushes and thorny shrubs grow here. And the trees that are found there are kejri, kikar and babul are grown in the eastern part of the desert. Animals such as camel, black bucks, chinkaras and great Indian bustards are found in this region. And as you all know, that camel is a very useful animal in the desert. It is called the sheep of the desert. So these are the pictures, some photographs of the trees found over there, and some questions were given to you. 5 questions were given in this assignment, and I hope you, after reading this textual matter, you are able to solve the questions. Let us check the answers. Now the first question is, where is the Thar Desert located? The Thar Desert is located to the west of the Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the borders of Haryana. So it starts from Rann of Kutch, it goes through Rajasthan and till the border of Haryana, and it is in the west of Aravalli Hills. Number 2, what are sand dunes? Just now I showed you the photograph of sand dunes. So small hills of sand are called sand dunes. Number 3, name the river that flows through Rajasthan. The river that flows through Rajasthan, as you all know, is Luni. So Luni river flows through Rajasthan. 4, name the trees that are found in the desert. Now the trees that are found in the desert are Khejri, Kikar and Babul. These are the main trees found over there. Show you the picture. Number 5, why villages are situated around an oasis? Water is available in and around the oasis, so the land is fertile. People can grow crops. Thus, most villages are situated around an oasis. So I hope you have understood what is an oasis. Oasis is a place where water sources are there, and because there is water sources, people would like to live in that area because all of us need water, even animals need water. So these people live in and around oasis, and because of water sources, the land is little bit fertile from rest of other areas, and so crops are grown over there. So villages are found in and around oasis. So these are the 5 questions which were asked, and these are the answers. Thank you.